So this is the Talent Central platform, and I'm going to show you how to send out assessments for Microsoft Word and Excel. So anytime that you want to send out assessments, you're going to go to Create New and create a new project. This is always the first step. We will title our project name Word and Excel. It's a great idea to also put which versions of the tests you're looking at. We can put a hard deadline date of a calendar date, or we can give the candidates a certain amount of days for completion. So typically 7 or 14 days. There's also an option to go backspace, and then click away, and you'll see that it changes it to candidate has unlimited days. For project tags, you just choose the only option that there is. Same with tag values. You go with default. And then products is where you add your assessments. So you select manually, and then you type in Word, and you'll see the different test options that you have. So there are multiple pages of Word assessments. There's 85 different results in both the IBM and SHL catalog. So here we've got French. On the first page we had German. We're looking for English in our example. Okay, so without the language next to it, that would be English. So here we've got 2003, 7, and 10. There's also the whole test, normal test, or power user. So for this example, we'll choose 2010 normal user, and you can also choose to use the timed test if you like. So I'll click Microsoft Word 2010, and I'll add it to this project. Once I've added the assessment, it'll come up here under Core Products. You can see it there. Now I can go back and add more assessments to this project. So we'll click Excel 2010, so we have the same version. And we picked normal user. So for Microsoft Excel, we'll also pick normal user, but we could pick normal user time, power user, or whole test as well. So once we select the test, we scroll down to add. Then when we scroll up under Core Products, we see we have those 2 assessments there. Now you can add your candidates here under Candidates. So you can add them by email address and first name manually by clicking Add. Or if you have many candidates, you can do a bulk import. Just download the template file, add the candidate information in there, and then add that way. Or if you want to have a link where the candidates self-register themselves and you send out this link to everyone at once, instead of assigning individual tests to individual candidates, you can just use Enable Multi-Use Link. And once you create your assessment, you'll have the HTML link here in the candidates section. So we'll go to Create Project, and then we have to view the project. And then we can see here under Add Candidates that the URL now exists, and you can send this to your candidates to go ahead and take those assessments. Once your candidates are finished completing assessments, then you'll be able to review your projects. You can search by the candidate's name, or who created the assessment, so pick your employee, and then you can search specifically using these parameters for that specific project. Or down here you'll have all of the assessments that you've created, and you'll be able to go into those assessments to look for the scores, but you also would have them emailed to you.